Hey you and welcome to this video where I help you out how to create an account right here on SurveyMonkey. So we are right here on their website, and what we're going to do right now is we select right here sign up for free. Then he will send us right here to this page, and then we fill in right here our email address, and then we select right here you agree the terms of use, and I don't want to have product news, so then we click right here on next. Then right now we create a password. There we go. And then we click here on create account. Then right now we can click on save if you want to do that. I don't like that, so I do no thanks. And then right now they're telling us you're almost there. Verify your email address to continue. So right now we go to our email address and try to verify it. So there we go. There is the email address. It looks like this. And then we click right here on verify. And now they're telling us, let's personalize your experience. So right now we will do that real quick. We are using it for work, for market research. What's your industry, education? What kind of work do you do? Now, information technology, that's fine. What would you like to do next? I'm ready to build a survey. I'm exploring what's possible. Then we click right here, and now if you can see, this is the dashboard from SurveyMonkey, and now we are having an account. So now we can start creating surveys, and this is what you need to know to create an account on SurveyMonkey. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.